Yeehaw, it's YouTube Tuesday. This is Jean with C&J Farm. I'm on the road today, but C&J Farm is an educational, medicinal herb, cut flower, egg, and music farm in beautiful Matthews County, Virginia. Today I'm in Gloucester, and besides being a farm, I love to share gardening and farming knowledge and beekeeping and the herbs and everything. We love everything our farm is doing, and but today I got to do something I love, which is presenting our music program, and I did it at the Gloucester Montessori School for some of their youngins. We had a great time, and I have music programs geared to all ages, to everybody, and to any kind of group. And today's group was wonderful. We talked about how let your light shine, and don't let anything put out your light. And I tell you, that's a good advice for any age, isn't it? But anyway, I love what our farm is doing, and please jump in as led. You see us doing something and say, Jean, I want to be involved in that. Hey, I would love to have you. Because every time I do something like this, I swear I grow as much as the people I'm doing it for. I grow, I learn, and you help just by being a positive light, you know. Well, and I may come back and help them with some of their garden beds too. They want to do some educational programs right here, teaching the kids about gardening and stuff. So I think I would love that. So anyway, as you're getting your fall gardens ready, be sure to nourish your soil. Our big thing we add a lot of chicken and duck, and it's got to be composted. The chicken manure needs to be composted. The duck and the rabbit manure can be put right on immediately. We're going to be working a lot of that into our garden beds like next week, and we're going to be adding, as the leaves start to fall, we're going to be raking all the leaves into the beds, letting them decompose, getting things ready. I have a few silage tarps I'm going to lay out to kill the grass in a few areas. I'm going to start a few new beds because I really want to start a good sized cutting flower garden too, and we have a couple of small areas. But anyway, we are wrapping up the summer season, getting a little bit of a harvest. We were so behind this year, but we are going to be on top of this next season, and we're already thinking about next spring and summer, so we're going to have a slamming year. And if you want some help with your property or your little farm, just reach out. I'd be glad to help you. Stop by the farm, see what we're doing, get some advice. And I also have some other options. You can join some groups we have here at the farm where we're all talking and sharing and doing together, and love to have you involved. Anyway, like I said, anytime you see us doing something at the farm and you want to be part of it, you just come on and share the joy. And, everybody be a light. Don't let anything put out your light. Don't let anything, because it's going to be okay. Anyway, you be well. I'll post again soon.